Sri Bhagwati Manufacture, Semi-Automatic Tablet Counting Machine. A semi-automatic counting machine is a versatile and efficient piece of equipment used primarily in industries such as pharmaceuticals, food, and manufacturing for counting and packaging products. These machines are designed to automate part of the counting process while still requiring some level of human intervention, making them ideal for medium-scale production operations where fully automated systems may not be economically feasible. The operation of a semi-automatic counting machine typically involves a combination of manual loading and automated counting. The process begins with an operator loading the items to be counted into the machine's hopper or feed tray. Depending on the design, the items can range from tablets and capsules to screws and bolts, or even small confectionery products. Once loaded, the items are fed into the counting chamber, where sensors or optical systems accurately count each item as it passes through. One of the key benefits of using a semi-automatic counting machine is its ability to provide precise and consistent counts, significantly reducing the risk of human error. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email address.